All right, everybody, thank you for coming out for our end of the year celebration. It's been a wonderful time for fall. I know a lot of you guys are starting your basketball high school, so majority of you guys, good luck to your high school season. Inshallah, we'll be back again in January. Assalamu alaikum, my name is Abdulqani Idan, also known as Coach AQ. I am the sports director here at East African Community Services. Shout out to Van Nessel Community Center for allowing us to host our end of the year celebration for our youth basketball.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Yusuf Jama. I'm a coach here at EACS, and today we're here celebrating the end of our clinic. We had our clinic running for about 4 months, and we're just here celebrating the development of our kids.
We currently have 2 AAU teams that compete throughout in the regions of Washington and outside of Washington. We have U15 and U16. Each of those 2 teams are currently competing in the AAU circus. So with this program of helping the underserved kids in the basketball community means a lot to me. I played basketball when I was a kid, but at the time when I was playing basketball, there wasn't something like this where I can have a team of all people that look like me. So for these kids to have that opportunity means a lot to them, and you can see it through them on how well they perform. And within that performance, we happen to be playing at places where some of them got cut from, and so giving them that opportunity where sticking it to someone who told you you're not capable of, you're not good enough, means so much to these kids. And that's one of the main reasons that gives me that drive every day to be able to do this for these kids, because they not only just I'm not helping them, but they also help me. For me to witness something like that means a lot to me. One of the main reasons to why we're very, very successful in this program is the coaches that we have. And one of the things that I started doing it was like the kids who are in young adults, I asked them to come down and help out the younger kids. So 3 of the coaches that we have are part of our young adult team. Yusuf Jama, Hamza Mohaba, and Adam Ali are coaches that do everyday trainings with these kids, individual trainings, practices, helping them with their homeworks and helping them up with even if they need individual practices. And some kid might want to work on their jump shot, some kid might want to work on their dribbling skills, and they want to make it to their high school team. These are guys that played at a high school level, that are understanding, that have that experience. So having them on our team has been very, very helpful. It is one of the reasons to why today we at where we at.
So when we started, we had a lot of kids that weren't really comfortable with like simple basketball stuff like ball handling, shooting. And as we went on, we just like try to just get them comfortable, try to get them to like understand the basics of the game. And thankfully, like time has passed and the kids have gotten better at really in every aspect.
Do you enjoy playing basketball?
Yes.
Why? What's it that you like about basketball?
The skill, the trial, the failure.
Uh-huh.
It gives me the drive to win, the ego.
I like that. So what position do you play?
I play point guard.
You play point guard? And sometimes I see you play shooting guard.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, your jump shot got a lot better over the time.
I know.
So what do you need to work on this upcoming year?
My dribbling and my shooting.
You're dribbling and you're shooting?
Yeah.
All right, inshallah. I hope you get taller too, right?
I'm trying to be 6 foot at like 12 years old, so good luck.
All right. Najib is one of our high school AAU team. Najib has been averaging quite some points in the last few months, so he stepped up big time. What do you like about playing basketball here at East African Community Services?
It's just, it's a fun sport, competitive, it's something to just help me out.
And then Najib, can you just talk a little bit about your experience here at our basketball team?
It's like, it's a good community where everybody knows each other and, we just all have fun.
How does it feel to be one of the youngest guys here on our team?
Not that bad. Because my tiny size, I can have a bit of a speed advantage if I get a little bit faster.
There you go. I've seen you improve a lot on your defense. Can Can you talk a little bit about how you've been playing great defense in the last few days?
Oh, I just want to block. I want to block the view for the rim. So like when they can't see the rim, they have to shoot blindly.
Oh, nice. Thank you very much, Ibrahim. Okay, so what position do you play, Sabir? Center. So what have you worked on this past 2-3 months?
Rebounding and shooting.
Tell me a little bit about your coaches.
Well, he helped us all get better. A couple weeks ago, I used to shoot with my arms like twisting like this, and now I can like shoot the ball regularly nowadays.
And has that been helpful?
Yes, it has.
Have you been making consistent shots?
Yes.
All right, that's what's up. We don't charge anything. Even when we're traveling outside of the state, we cover all expenses. And we also cover all our trainings, training facilities. We don't only just give them basketball trainings. We also provide mentorship. We are mentoring some of these kids. We are also working with them in the classroom. So it's something that's on and off the court thing. It's not just only supporting them on the court. We also support them outside of the court and how they can get academically in place. So whatever they decide to do in life, that they will always be good and they will always have home and people to come to. Anyone who wants to sign up for our program, we can go to our website. Either you can contact me or you can contact our core director, Ismail. I would like to thank all the kids who showed up today for our end of the year celebration. And then I also would like to give a shout out to Manira Muhammad for making this very possible when it was not possible at all. Without her help and without her vision, we wouldn't be able to be here. So thanks to her. Also thanks to Kiki, the coordinator here at Van Assel, who made this very possible for us to have this space today.